On this episode, we're gonna connect the wiring harness. Maybe all of it. Well, no. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Before you got here, I did this. So this is the alternator, air conditioner, and then I wrapped them here, and then they come up here and split. So all of this is for fuel injection. If it has, there's 2 cinders on the back, there's 3 cinders on the back. If it has 1 wire, it's a gauge. If it has 2 wires, it's an ECU. So back here there's a brown one. It's for ECU, it's a water temperature cinder. This is a thermo time switch. It all has to do with fuel injection. So we're going to hook up the fuel injector wires, ECU wires, and then probably put the intake on and see what else we can do. Let me double check something real fast. The green one goes to your single wire O2 sensor. This is a ground. I don't know where I'm going to put that yet. This I want to run up, underneath, around, and true. I think up, underneath, around. So I labeled these 1, 2. That's not number 1. Ah. These things are such a pain in the ass to take off. Glasses. Should have started with number 4. Okay. One. 2. 3. 4. I don't know about this one. Do I want to go like that? Maybe. Ah! That's scary. I hate it when that happens. Oh, I remember. Okay, got it. tie that out of the way when we get our hose on. This goes to cold start valve. This goes to air something or other. Let me find it. This goes to auxiliary air regulator, which is going to be over here somewhere. So throttle position sensor. I got to put the intake on. Let's do it. I like. Let's get it on. It's on. Now I need some washers. I gotta snake this thing in here somehow. Don't fall. I didn't like the gold color, so I painted it the same color as everything else. That's just me though. And something like that, I think. Almost. Yeah. It's easier to go underneath, I think. I don't know. It's been a while. Can't really see over there. Can I get my hand? Yes. I have to go like this. And then that's not it. Ah! I think it's gonna need a full wobble. Okay, got it. Yeah, y'all can see that. Maybe that's a better look. I don't know. Drink water now. Water. Drink water. Got it. And then this blue one goes here. Like that. Probably gonna get tied right here. Yep. And then this black one is the throttle position sensor. Goes right there. So we're going to listen for a click. So we got click. So this is going to go here, but it's too short. So we're going to have to adjust this out. Watch out, I'm doing dumb stuff. Looks pretty close for now. Auxiliary air sensor. So that thing was over here. But I'm gonna have to make some mods. It doesn't fit there anymore. Or that way. Building a bracket for the auxiliary air regulator. And the AC switch. So this thing was mounted right here. And it was bent up. And it stuck out like this. And I don't like it. Doesn't look good. Actually, it's backwards now, but that's because I switched it. So I took the bracket off and I smashed it flat. And then there's a hole right here. So this thing gets relocated back here out of the way. And then this thing It's going to mount here and plug in there and there. And I think really the only thing that's important is you want to get your alignment close enough so that there's not too much stress on these rubber parts with the hose. This is going to move a little bit. The rubber will be fine, but it's old and you don't want to crack it and cause a leak. So, you know, that's about all that really matters, I think. So I kind of like it right here. So I need to mark I think I can scratch the bottom. Right there. I'm going to drill a hole. So there it is right there. It's snugged. And then this goes here. And I think if I put it on the edge, it lines up pretty well. Or do I want to put it here? I think so. No. Yes, it'll rotate back. Okay, let me make some more holes. Okay. It costs money. There we go. I like that. That's a better look. Hose cutter. And I'm pretty sure this 4-inch T is going to be too long. Maybe not. Yeah. It's too long, so. Let me cut this up. Okay, so now we got a stubby. That fits there. And that fits there. And then we'll turn that like that. And then all of that goes right there. Like so. And then we'll connect this vacuum hose like so. And then this vacuum hose we'll have to extend and connect up here. And then our plug goes right here. And then it's not right here anymore. Technically, oh, you know what I could do? I could put this down here where it'll reach. And then I don't even have to modify this hose. I gotta get rid of this clamp. I don't like it. It's okay. We'll do that too. Still mocking up. Okay, I like it. Stop staring. Take it apart. Clean it. Paint it. Finish it.